Hello guys, welcome to channel Zoboto, and in this video I'm going to tell you about the subjects in second year of branch electronics or electronics and telecommunication engineering. I'm also going to tell you all the units and topics. So let's get started. So in third semester there is signals and systems, in which first unit is introduction to signals and systems, and here are the topics. So if you want to see the topics, you can pause the video and see all topics. I'm not going to tell you all the topics because video will be lengthy. So second unit is time domain representation of LTI system of SS, and third unit is Fourier series. Fourth unit is Fourier transform, and fifth unit is Laplace transform and its applications. Sixth unit is probability and random signals. Now EDC, that is electronics devices and circuits. First unit is JFET. Second is MOSFET and its DC analysis. Third unit is MOSFET AC circuit analysis. Fourth unit is MOSFET circuits. Fifth unit is feedback amplifiers and oscillators. And sixth unit is voltage regulator. Third subject is electrical circuits and machines. First unit is basic circuit analysis and simplification techniques. Second is transformer. Third unit is DC machines. Fourth unit is AC motors, and fifth unit is special motors 1, and sixth unit is special motor 2. So fourth subject is data structures and algorithm. First unit is introduction to C algorithm. Second is searching and sorting. Third unit is stack and queues. Fourth unit is linked list, and fifth unit is trees. Sixth unit is graphs. Fifth subject is digital electronics. So in this subject, first unit is combinational logic design. Second unit is sequential logic design. Third unit is state machines. Fourth unit is digital logic families. Fifth unit is programmable logic devices and semiconductor memories. Sixth is introduction to microcontroller 8051. The sixth subject is electronic measuring instruments and units. This is a non-theory subject, which means we will not having any theory examination of this subject. So there are some simple topics in this. You can see there are total 6 topics in this subject. Now I will tell you subjects of semester 4. First is engineering mathematics 3. Unit 1 is linear differential equation LDE and its application. Second is transforms. Third unit is numerical methods. Fourth unit is vector differential calculus. Fifth unit is vector integral calculus and its applications. Sixth unit is complex variables. Second subject is integrated circuits, that is IC. First unit is op-amp basics. Second unit is linear application of op-amp. Third unit is non-linear applications of op-amp, that is operational amplifier. Fourth unit is converters using op-amp. Fifth is phase lock loop and oscillators. And sixth is active filters. Now the third subject is control systems, in which first unit is control system modeling. Second unit is time response analysis, and third unit is stability analysis. Fourth unit is frequency response analysis. Fifth unit is state variable analysis, and the sixth unit is controllers and digital control systems. Now fourth subject is AC, that is analog communication. First unit of AC is AM transmission. Second unit is AM reception. Third unit is FM transmission. Fourth unit is FM reception. Fifth unit of AC is noise, and sixth unit is pulse analog modulation. So fifth subject is object oriented programming. Unit 1 is introduction to object oriented programming. Second is concept of object oriented programming with C++. Third is Java fundamentals. Fourth unit is classes, methods and objects in Java. Fifth unit is inheritance, packages and interfaces. Sixth unit is multi-threading, exception handling and applets. So sixth and last subject of fourth semester is employability skill development, which does not have theory exam. First unit of it is soft skill and communication basis. Second unit is arithmetic and mathematical reasoning. Third unit is analytical reasoning and quantitative ability. Fourth unit is grammar and comprehension. Fifth unit is skills for interviews, and sixth unit is problem solving techniques. So that's it. Thanks for watching this video, and please like this video and subscribe to this channel.